Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply input masks to text fields. Input masks act as templates that guide respondents on how to enter their information. They ensure that fields only accept data in predefined formats, which helps reduce errors and keeps your data consistent. In SurveyJS Form Builder, there are several types of input masks available. The first type is pattern. This allows you to define a custom format using characters and symbols. For example, you can create a pattern for a credit card or phone number. Next is date and time. This mask guides respondents to enter values in a specific format, such as month, day, year for dates, and hours and minutes for time. This ensures consistency and accuracy in date and time entries. Then we have the numeric mask. This restricts input to numbers only, which is useful for collecting values like age, quantity, or measurements. And finally, currency. This mask type allows symbols such as commas separating thousands or currency signs so users can enter amounts accurately. In this video, I will show you how to apply input masks to both single-line input and multiple text boxes questions. You can also use masks in other single-line text fields such as cells in multi-select matrix or dynamic matrix questions. Let's start with a single-line input question. First, select the question where you want to apply input mask. In the property grid, go to the general category and make sure the input type is set to its default text option. Under input type mask settings, locate the input mask type property and choose the mask you need from the drop-down list, for example, numeric. You can also define the accepted range by setting the minimum value and maximum value. To control how many digits are allowed after the decimal point, adjust the value precision. Optionally, you can customize a decimal separator and thousand separator as well. And that's it. Your input mask is now applied. Now let's look at multiple text boxes. By default, this question contains two single-line input fields. To apply a mask to one of them, select the multiple text boxes question. This will open its settings in the property grid. Under Items, find the field you want to modify. Click the pen icon next to it to open its individual settings. Locate the input type property and make sure it's set to text. Then go to Input Mask Settings, find the Input Mask Type property and choose a mask from the drop-down. This time, let's select Pattern and enter a sample pattern, for example, the product code. Pattern-based masks also support placeholders, which lets you display a custom hint instead of the mask symbols when the field is empty. The placeholder remains visible until the field receives focus or the respondent starts typing. To add a placeholder, go to the General category and locate the placeholder text within Input Field property. Enter the text that should guide the respondent. You can apply input masking to each field as needed. Once the field is focused or a value is entered, the placeholder is replaced with the pattern hint showing the expected input format. And that's how you apply input masks in SurveyJS. Thank you for watching.